Welcome back to my channel. My name is Renata and this is the Twilight Stitcher. Today's video is all about this beautiful dress that you see right next to me. It is the Lavender from GlassHouse pattern. I recently pattern test for the company and today I'm going to share a little bit about my experience and the process. So if you want to learn more, please meet me in the next clip. Okay, so earlier this year, I really wanted to stick to my plan and not do any pattern testing because when you pattern test, you commit your time to getting these projects done on time and with a lot of reviews about what's going on wrong with the pattern and all the technical aspects of it. And I swore that off for this year because I just didn't want to be bogged down with that, and I had a lot of stuff going on. So I felt like that wasn't what I wanted to do this year. I wanted to be free, and that's another reason why I don't always make sewing plans, because I never stay on task. I want to be free to get that creative juice flowing and just do what I want, when I want. But when I saw this dress, I was like, oh, it's really a really nice dress. I love the design of it, and I was like, you know what? If she is looking for testers, I am going to be that person. And I felt like I could support Sanja because I've been watching her channel for over 2 years and she's so sweet, very nice, very kind, and extremely creative. And I always enjoy her makes and looking at her video. So before she became GlassHouse Pattern, I've been watching her for so long and I just wanted to support her. So that's why I decided to pattern test for her. This is the second project that I pattern test for her. The first one, it was fine, nothing was wrong with it. It's just that I wasn't well the day that I took the photos, and I just don't feel like I want to share them, but I will remake it and definitely share that project with you. But this is the Lavender dress. As you can see, it's really pretty. It's got ruffles, it's got a really nice tie waist. The fit is very relaxed, so you don't have to worry about making a lot of adjustments because of how wide it is. And let me just open here so you can see that there is a lot of body in this dress, so you don't have to be worried about any sort of fit issues. That's one thing I like about it, and I like the modern feel of this. It feels very ready to wear. The fabric is from... Okay, I'm back. If I have repositioned, my battery died and I'm not exactly sure where I stopped. But before, we were talking about the fit of this, and the pattern really didn't need a lot of pattern adjusting because of how much ease the design had, and I really liked it. So I remember sharing with you guys that this had a really nice a voluminous flow, and it's perfect for anyone that is new to sewing but you're a little bit more advanced. Because of the gathering, I would say that this is for a very confident beginner. I like the design. I didn't have a lot of issues while making this and going through the pattern, and like I said, when I pattern test, because I've been sewing for so long, I feel like I'm like in autopilot mode for certain things. So when I'm reading through, I need to stop and think, okay, think as a beginner or someone who's never sewn before and look for errors in that way. So that's one of the reasons I try to stay away from pattern testing, because I want to get it done, see the fit, and just share it. But I didn't have a lot of issues with that. And then after reading the updated version, there wasn't a lot of adjustments in the pattern, maybe a little lengthening here. I know that she did increase the length of the tie band and just a few grammatical errors, that kind of thing. So nothing really big on the actual pattern. I made a size 4. I believe that's the size that worked best for me, and I had no issues with it at all. So let me just take you guys through the 360 footage of this. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll meet you in the end clip. There you have it. What do you think of my lavender dress? I love the fabric. I love the overall feel of it. It is perfect for summer. I know we're coming on the tail end here, but this is definitely one pattern that you may want to put on your list for 2020 as a possible make, because it is really nice and it does have a ready to wear feel, which I really do like in most of my pieces. Yes, we are all home sewers, but we want to have that professional, well-made quality piece. So I mean, if someone can say, hey, I like what you're wearing, where did you get it from? You're like so in awe and proud of yourself that you're like, I did it, I'm that good, I am RTW good. And that is the feeling of all home sewers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next upload. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you really like this sort of content, please let me know down in the comment section. And don't forget to turn your notification on so you will be notified when my next video is uploaded. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.